After connecting your card to the auto charging station, use the pause device to select the corresponding station number. You can read the pricing rule and then click Agree and Proceed. Here, you'll see the prepaid amount and 3 ways to read your credit card. When the approved page appears, charging has successfully started. You can check the real-time charging status by scanning with your phone. To stop charging, enter the last 4 digits of your card on your phone. Alternatively, you can stop charging at the pause device either by swiping your card or entering the last 4 digits of your card. After the charge is settled, the unused balance will be returned to your credit card.